Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our next activity, that is the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Prerequisite knowledge. Natural numbers, that means counting of numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Odd natural numbers, that is natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. For example 1, 3, 5 up to infinity. Even natural numbers, that is natural numbers which are divisible by 2. For example 2, 4, 6 up to infinity. Then materials required for this activity: squared paper, sketch pens, pencil, adhesive, geometry box, a pair of scissors, white drawing sheets. Then procedure. Take a squared chart paper of dimension n by n. Units taken, here we have taken n is equal to 9. Paste it on a white sheet. As n is equal to 9 is considered, we have to find the sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So as n is equal to 9, so our last term will be 2n minus 1. That is 2 into 9 minus 1, that is 17. Next demonstration. Color the internal squares with 9 different colors as shown in the figure, starting from the top right corner. So first one square is colored as violet, then 3 squares are colored as indigo, then 5 squares colored as blue, then 7 squares are colored as green, then 9 squares colored as yellow, then 11 squares colored as orange, then 13 squares colored as red, then 15 squares colored as white and 17 squares colored pink. Then put a black dot on each of the internal colored squares as shown in the figure. So here we are putting black dots for easy counting. Now number of dots in first enclosure, that is violet, that is 1. So 1 is equal to 1 square. Now number of dots in first two enclosures, that is violet plus indigo colors, that is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, or that can be written as 2 square. So here we have taken two odd numbers 1 plus 3, so the sum is 2 square. Now, number of dots in first three enclosures. Those are violet plus indigo plus blue color square. Those are, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. First three odd numbers are taken. Their sum is 9, or 9 can be written as 3 squares. Similarly, if we will move further from first to 9 enclosures, that means from violet to pink, and by counting the respective dots, we will have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17, that is equal to 81, or that is equal to 9 square. So here we have taken the sum of first 9 odd natural numbers. So their sum will be 9 square, or 81. So this is the sum of first 9 odd natural numbers. This result can be generalized for the sum of first n odd numbers as Sn is equal to sum of first n odd numbers is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1. That will be equal to n square. So observation. So first, number of shaded square for violet color is 1. Number of dots is 1. So squares, there are 1 into 1 squares. So in terms of n square, that can be represented as 1 square. Then violet plus indigo, that is equal to 1 plus 3. Number of dots are 4. Squares are 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 square. Then violet plus indigo plus blue, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. Number of dots are 9. Number of squares can be written as 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 square. Then violet plus indigo plus blue plus green, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Number of dots are 16. Number of squares 4 into 4, that is equal to 4 square. Then violet plus indigo plus blue plus green plus yellow, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Number of dots are 25. Number of squares are 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 square. So if we will continue this process, at the end violet plus indigo plus blue plus green plus yellow plus orange plus red plus white plus pink is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. So number of dots will be 81, and number of squares is 9 into 9, that is equal to 9 square. So if we continue this process for up to n terms, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 up to n terms. So number of dots will be n into n, and number of squares will be n into n, or that can be written as n square. So proceeding in the same way, in generalizing the result on the above table, we can say that the number of dots in n into n squares, that is equal to n square. So by this activity we got the result. The sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Thank you.